if you think about an e-signature, it essentially wraps three main components. The first is identity. So who is it that is signing the document? Secondly, it's the consent. Do they really understand what it is that they're signing to? And do they give their permission to sign the document? And then finally, and probably the most important ingredient, is non-repudiation. So the ability to trust the process and that the transaction has followed all the legal requirements for making that signature a valid, binding transaction. The way that we started this was with a tool of Amazon's called the Mobile Hub, which is essentially a wizard-driven approach that creates the apps on the various platforms for you, and it also generates the various Amazon components in the cloud. So you go through this wizard and you select the different capabilities that you want to see, and it generates the cloud behind it, which allowed us to learn very quickly the components that we needed to get the solution working.
Build apps faster. AWS offers purpose-built tools and services for front-end web and mobile developers through AWS Mobile Hub, now called AWS Amplify, which makes it easier to build apps with cloud functionality on AWS so you can get to market faster. Scale with confidence. Front-end web and mobile tools and services are built on top of AWS, so you benefit from the reliability of AWS infrastructure to help you deliver secure, highly available apps that can scale automatically across the globe.
I think ours is one of the first serverless implementations of an e-signature product in the world. And because we run completely serverless, this has helped us scale very quickly in a very short period of time without having to worry about the mechanics of how that infrastructure scales underneath us.
What is serverless? Serverless is a way to describe the services, practices, and strategies that enable you to build more agile applications so you can innovate and respond to change faster. Serverless services like AWS Lambda come with automatic scaling, built-in high availability, and a pay-for-value billing model. Lambda is an event-driven compute service that enables you to run code in response to events from over 200 natively integrated AWS and software as a service sources, all without managing any service.
Recently, Impression has achieved a major milestone in becoming WebTrust accredited. We did this whilst running all of our infrastructure in the AWS public cloud, which is really a testament to how Amazon view security in the cloud. They've got all the required compliance, they do all their audits that we need, so specifically the SOC 2 audits that are components that feed into our own WebTrust audit, which talks very much about the people, process, and technology components of how a solution hangs together, with infrastructure being such an integral part of that. And so Amazon hasn't let us down there. We run our HSM, which is our hardware security module, which keeps all of the identities safe. We run that in the cloud, and we have subsequently passed all of our WebTrust audits.
AWS makes it easy to develop, deploy, and operate your apps with the speed and reliability of AWS infrastructure. Deliver secure apps that scale from prototype to millions of users automatically.
We're very happy with our choice of Amazon as our underlying infrastructure platform.